The STIHL AP cordless chainsaws are a great option for both professional users and people with larger gardens with trees and overgrown shrubs to maintain. All the chainsaws in the range are powerful yet quiet, lightweight and are very easy to control and use. This makes them suitable for a range of tasks, including cutting firewood, landscape maintenance, horticulture and for chainsaw work indoors or in enclosed spaces. Arborists and ground workers can also use them by the chipper to cut larger branches before processing, or even in fencing operations where the tops of the posts can be easily and neatly cut to length. The AP System chainsaw lineup has 4 models in the range to choose from, 3 back handle chainsaws for use on the ground and 1 top handle chainsaw for use by trained arborists. In this video we're going to focus on the 3 back handle chainsaws. First in the range is the MSA 160 CB. This is more suitable for domestic jobs or light use in a professional's day. It comes with quick chain tensioning as standard, so you can tighten the chain without tools. Simply release the sprocket cover and turn the thumb wheel to loosen or tighten the chain. It also has our E-matic chain lubrication system, which uses up to 50% less chain oil, and the quick stop super chain brake. The chain stops running either when the front handguard is switched on or when you release the rear handle. The STIHL electric motor is extremely energy efficient too, so with a recommended AP 200 battery, it will give you up to 42 minutes working time. Next in the range is the MSA 200 CB. It shares a similar design with the MSA 160 CB, but with approximately 44% more power, and metal bumper spikes, which will help with control when cross-cutting larger timber. The recommended AP 300 battery will give you up to 45 minutes working time in the MSA 200 CB. The AP 300 battery must be used with the MSA 200 CB to get the full 1.8 kilowatts power from the tool. If you use the AP 200 battery, it will still work, just with reduced power. The MSA 160 comes with a 12-inch guide bar, and the MSA 200 comes with a 14-inch guide bar, both fitted with a 1/4-inch Pico Micro 3 saw chain, which gives an excellent cut but low vibrations. The soft grip rear handles give you a comfortable grip at all times too. Next in the lineup is the MSA 220 CB powerful cordless chainsaw. It's fitted with a 3/8 PS3 saw chain, which means it's really suited to felling because you can fit a wedge in the back of a tree to control the direction of the fell. The MSA 220 CB is best suited to felling, snedding and processing timber, and with a chain speed of 24 meters per second and 2.1 kilowatts of power, it's a direct equivalent of our MS 201 CM petrol professional chainsaw. With this more powerful motor, the recommended AP 300S battery will give up to 48 minutes working time. The AP 300S battery should be used with the MSA 220 CB to get the full 2.1 kilowatts power from the tool too. If you use the AP 300 battery, it will still work, but you'll have a reduced power output of 1.8 kilowatts. You can check how much charge you have left with the LED display on the battery, and you can easily check the level of chain oil in your chainsaw too with a transparent oil tank. These saws are all part of the STIHL lithium-ion AP system, which uses interchangeable 36-volt batteries. The batteries will fit any tool in the range, which includes an extensive selection of lawn mowers, hedge trimmers and long-reach hedge trimmers, pole pruners, brush cutters, leaf blowers and also combi tools. To operate the chainsaws, just click in the battery, release the chain brake and pull the triggers. You don't need to force the saw through the cut, just let the chain do the work and remember to keep your saw chain sharp too. Always read the manual before using a chainsaw and ensure you're wearing the correct personal protective equipment. With a chainsaw, you should be wearing cut retardant chaps or trousers, cut retardant boots or wellies, goggles, gloves and a visor. If there's a risk of falling objects from above, ensure you wear a helmet too.